Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Resident Evil 2 not launching or black screen problem. This will be a quick fix guide. Just don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if this worked for you. Now what you want to do is go ahead and make sure that you have media player, Windows media player, because according to the PC Gaming Wiki, basically the game relies on the presence of Windows Media Player and its codec, so just make sure that you have it. You want to install the media feature pack for your version of Windows. So if you have 11, then you want to find for your Windows 11, just make sure you have it. Now, if you have Windows 10 and the game fails to launch, you want to disable Hyper-V in your Windows via command prompt. I'm going to leave the video for you in the description, which I already filmed, basically how to disable it. You can check that out. Now, if you have Asus motherboard, then you want to uninstall all Sonic suite programs. So this might be an issue of that. Now, if that wasn't an issue, you want to make sure that if you are using Steam for a Resident Evil, then you want to find a Steam emu file. So go to your Steam. Now, if you're using Resident Evil 2, you want to open file location, and you want to go ahead and find Steam emu, click on it, and then change lobby from 1 to 0, then save it, and then go ahead, play Resident Evil, and run Steam as administrator. I'm going to also leave the directions in the description for you to check it out. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.